Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a third quarter designs design team layout. I have these two photos of my mom playing the big wheel. So let us look at what we've got. I think we're gonna go with that one. I'm looking for one to mat with. Okay, and we'll mat with this. So let's move these over here. So what my idea is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tuck, so I'm going to get my knife, I'm going to change my blade, get a new one in there. We're going to fussy cut that out, tuck that one under, then we're going to do this and we're going to tuck this one in. So I'm going to actually trim one of them down. This will probably go under quite a bit so that this one just kind of sits right here. Something like that. So let me work on that and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got those cut out and tucked in, and I did scuff up the edges. I really like scuffing the edges. So I'm going to put, I like this little run that one right there. And all I did was like bend up the leaves. So let's put that one there to give it some dimension. And tuck, just come in and tuck them around, right? We'll pop that guy, and then we'll get a blue one down here as well. And then maybe put this yellow one kind of sitting down there. All right, so let's actually get these stuck down, right? So we need some foam. We're just going to take the foam and just kind of cut little pieces off. So let's cut a big hunk, and this is just regular old foam tape. We're just going to pop a little square on each of these top ones, and I'm going to go ahead and build the clusters up like that. So this is super sticky foam tape. I don't know where my tweezers went, so we'll have to use these for now. It's really tough to get in there and get this foam off sometimes, but that's what you want when you're using adhesive, right? You really want it to stick down. So we'll put that one right there, and then let's just grab this one and come in and just pop it down again, so you can kind of see where we're going with this. And then I always press it. So how is everybody? Are you enjoying all of the fun collections? I know that I am behind because this is the March release, I believe, but I'm just trying to play catch up and make sure that, I mean, they're super sweet. Third Quarter Designs is super sweet to work with. Yes, this is from March 2024, and obviously they did not tell me that I had to make up any missed design teams, but I want to showcase just the beautiful artwork. Plus I want to use them on layouts, right? So I'm just gonna bring that one in. So I do, my favorite thing really honestly is to run it off the page. Makes it look like your layout goes on forever and ever. And let's just get a few more because we do like to jazz it up. And I'm putting the dry adhesive down as well, just so it holds in the center. Now this is a glossy paper, so there's a bit of a shine, but I love it. And it's such original designs. So we'll stick that one there. And then this guy, we're just going to pop down around it. Right, so it's going to be popped up due to the leaves being popped up. So there's our first one. And we're going to go ahead and create this, I think. That will come in. And we'll just pop this one up all together. And just tuck it right there. So now we need to build this guy up. So we're just going to set this here and do the same thing. So let me go ahead and finish this cluster up down here. And then we'll come back and we'll create more of the layout together, right? I don't want to bore you with watching me put adhesive on, so we'll be right back. Alright, so I tucked the Let Your Light Shine, kind of as my title. We're going to come in, I'm going to add some of these gears that I got in my stash because I think they're super cute, and I would like to add just a little bit of something hidden in the layout there. So let's just the glue will dry clear. I'm just trying to hide some of that stuff, right? So we're just kind of tucking everything in and around because I think that's super fun. Adding a little bit of dimension and texture. Pop that one there, and then let's get this one right there. Okay. Excuse me. Then let's come in with a few of these dots. They're little gold half pearls, but they're matte. And this layout will be done. So I'm just going to come in and just dot those around. So don't forget to head on over, check out Third Quarter Design, go to the Facebook group, do all that fun stuff. I can't get them to fall right. Show them some love. It is a super awesome team, the owners and designers and everybody that has something to do with the company are awesome in every way, shape, or form. which is really fun. It's been a pleasure working with them, and I hope to continue on, but we are only halfway through this year, right? So I'm just trying to pick up the different sizes. Alright, and now we do a little small one. It's the same size. We've got these little teeny ones in here, right? Get them stuck around. Making sure this is just a little glam up. All right, and that is going to do it for today's layout. So like I said, this is just me making up, having a play with some of the products because I absolutely super love them. So please head over, check this company out if you have not, and if you have, seriously just go buy some more because they've got so much new stuff coming out on the regular that it is fun and crazy. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.